Hey everybody, so I'm sitting here with our spine model because I want to make a very important point to you. There's a lot of things about the human body that we are able to change. For example, if your teeth go bad or you have problems with your teeth, they can be replaced in some way through dentures or veneers or things like that. We're even at a point medically where we can replace organs. We can get a transplant to get new kidneys or a new heart or different organs. But the one thing that you can never get a new one for is a spine. This is the one spine that you have for your life, and we need to take care of it. The reason is because the spine contains your nervous system, and your nervous system controls all functions of the body. Your nervous system is the master system that is in charge of everything else. And with it being within the spine, it is in our best interest to take as good a care of our spine as we can. It's important to understand that the spine is the way it is because it's designed for optimal function. You can see from the spine, it's intended to be straight from the front, but have these curves from the side. Now these curves allow the spinal cord to be very relaxed. And when the spinal cord is relaxed, it's able to receive energy from the brain and send it throughout the rest of the body. Now, due to some stresses, some sudden and some over time, we can develop things called subluxations in the spine, and those are the things that chiropractors treat. Subluxations cause interference in the nerve system because they turn down that energy at that particular level. So it's important that we get our spine checked by a chiropractor to remove that nerve interference in the form of subluxation to allow for optimum function of your spine and spinal cord. Again, we only get one spine, and it's full of all of these bones that need to move. So we need to make sure we have good joint function, good alignment, good posture. All these things are going to feed into having a good, healthy, functioning spine, and therefore having a good, healthy, functioning nervous system. You don't get this back, so you have to take care of it. Okay? So, if you're interested in chiropractic and seeing how it can help you, please check us out at the Springfield Wellness Center, and we'll see you on the next video.